How to add a logo to a video in CapCut PC. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import your logo, place it on your video, and make it stay on screen for the entire project. First, open the CapCut desktop app and create a new project or open an existing one. Next, import the video you want to edit by dragging it into the media panel, then drag it onto the timeline. Now it's time to add your logo. In the Media section, click Import and locate your logo file on your computer. Select the logo and click Open. Once it's imported, drag the logo from the Media panel onto the timeline above your video clip. This creates an overlay, allowing the logo to appear on top of your video. Next, click the logo overlay to select it. In the preview window, drag the corners to resize the logo, then move it to the position you want, such as the top right or bottom right corner. You can also adjust the scale from the editing panel if you prefer more precise sizing. If you want your logo to stay visible for the entire video, drag the end of the logo overlay until it matches the full length of your video on the timeline. Once you're finished, play the video to preview the result and make sure the logo appears exactly where you want it. That's it! You've successfully added a logo to your video in CapCut on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.